Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Because of the shortened park hours and focus on health and safety, Disney has not been blasting off shows like Happily Ever After at Magic Kingdom or Epcot Forever at Epcot. But starting July 1st, Walt Disney World will have guests looking to the skies over both parks as fireworks return to Walt Disney World. One day ago.
Take our lead.
Now we know, Disney Enchantment will grace the skies over the Magic Kingdom. It seems that this show will at least temporarily replace Happily Ever After throughout the 50th, which is being celebrated from October 1, 2021, and for the remaining 18 months. No official end date for the celebration has been announced.
Let's help you make your mark.
At the moment, there are no parades in Disney World. Instead, there are character cavalcades, which happen in random intervals throughout the day at the parks. These are basically like mini parades, with some dancers, entertainers, and a couple of characters.
Take our lead.
In 2021, that will be the birth date of Disney Enchantment, a nighttime show at Magic Kingdom featuring fireworks and projection effects that extended from Cinderella Castle down Main Street, USA, for the first time, Disney says.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.